Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. So today we are gonna make sheer korma. So for this we need three things. It's about 1 cup vermicelli, and I'm taking 1 kilo of milk which is boiled and some sugar. That's it. So let's start making the dish. Milk is boiled. Now we will add the vermicelli, 1 full cup of sugar, stir it, now after 5 minutes turn off the flame. It's ready. Let it set for 10 to 15 minutes, then we will dish it out. Now our dessert is ready and it's really yummy in taste. It's so delicious. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.